Okay, let's finish these. We have two more problems to do. Second part of the video for the star method. So let's go and do example 3. In example 3, we're going to do 10y squared minus 35y plus 30. Now, as we said at the front of the page, always look for GCFs. Always look for GCFs. So, in this case, we have 10, negative 35, and 30, so the GCF is going to equal 5. So we're going to factor it out. So it's going to be 5, and then parentheses, we're going to have 2y squared minus 7y plus 5 goes into 36 times. So now, we're not going to worry about this 5. Right now we're only going to worry about the trinomial. So let's go ahead and make our star template. Remember, this is our A and our A, our AC and our B. They're going to multiply to get the AC. They're going to add to get the B. So A is 2, so it's going to be 2 and 2. C is 6, so 2 times 6 is 12. And then B is negative 7. So they're going to add to equal negative 7. They're going to multiply to equal negative 12. Whoops, that's not negative 12. It should be positive 12. Sorry about that. What two numbers add to get negative 7, multiply to get negative 12? It's going to be negative 4 and negative 3. Add to get 7. Negative 4 times negative 3 equals positive 12. So we're going to have our negative 3 and our negative 4. Then reduce if you can. We cannot reduce that one, but we can reduce this one. So it's going to be 1 over negative 2. So then we're going to bring this down. Remember that the numerator is your x coefficient, so it's going to be 2x minus 3 for that one times x minus 2 for that one. Now, we do have this GCF. You cannot forget the GCF. You have to bring the GCF down. Don't forget about that part, and that's going to be your final answer. There you go. So now check it. Go ahead and multiply those two together, and then multiply that by 5. Let's go and do one more example here. Let's call this example 4. And let's do 4r squared minus r plus 7. Okay, so for this one, we have our A, we have our A, we have our AC, we have our B. They're going to multiply to get AC and add to get B. So here A equals 4, so those go there. 4 times 7 is 28, so this is going to be 28. And remember, the 1 is understood. Whoops, the 1 is understood, so B is going to equal negative 1. So in this case, they're going to add to equal negative 1. They're going to multiply to equal 28. And what two numbers add to get negative 1, multiply to get 28? Let's just check. 1 times 28 isn't going to work. 2 and 14 isn't going to work. And 4 and 7 isn't going to work. Therefore, there aren't two numbers to do that. If there aren't numbers to do that, what is it called? It is called prime. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later.